Hi, hi. This is Arvind Mahajan, lecturer, travel and tourism, Government Polytechnic Thane. Today, I am going to present video on basic information required to plan a tour itinerary. Planning of tour itinerary is very important work in tourism industry. Learning outcome of today's video is after watching this video you will be able to do list basic information required from tourist or customer, identify need of basic information for tour planning, collect basic information from customer, use basic information at the time of planning a tour itinerary. Do you know what type of basic information required before plan a tour itinerary? You can identify or you can imagine to see these images. If you see the image of calendar 2020, its main date or year or month of traveling is required for planning of tour itinerary. Next one is the carrying capacity of the bus, carrying capacity of the vehicle, carrying capacity of the hotel, its main and mode of transportation, what kind of mode of transportation he require for traveling. Next one is you can see the image, in picture there is a one train is there, plane is there, cruise is there and car is there. It's mean tourists want to travel by road or by train or by cruise or by aeroplane, and which class he want to travel, that is very important information is required. You can see the image of Hotel Taj Mahal Palace and Tower, Mumbai. It's a 5-star luxurious hotel. Everything is depend on the budget of the client. Someone is interested to stay in a non-star hotel, 1-star hotel, 2-star hotel, 5-star hotel, resort, motel. There are different kinds of types of hotel like houseboat. That is depend on what is the choice of the customer, and everything is depend on the budget. How much is the budget of the client, and on that budget only we can plan a tour itinerary. Some of the tourists who have require some adventure activity, that's we call extra services. We can see this one by one what kind of information is required for planning a tour itinerary. This is the information. You can see the approximate date or month of travel of client or tourist, total number of people traveling, mode of journey or travel along with the class of hotel, type of local transportation, the budget of the client, and any additional services are required. So we can start with approximate date or month of travel, but before that please pause your video and answer the following question on take a paper. Why this basic information required for planning a tour itinerary? Please write on paper, and after writing compare with my conversation what is difference is there and what information is in your mind. So please write on paper and continue watching video. The approximate date or month of travel of customer. Why this information is required? You can see the both images. You know the Pandharpur, which is located in a Maharashtra. It's a pilgrimage place and one of the popular destination during the Ashadi Ekadashi. There will be a huge crowd, and planning of Ashadi Ekadashi tour or planning during the off season, there are so many difference because of when we book accommodation, transportation, that will be we can book during the off season 1 week before also, but during the season we need to plan 3 to 4 months before, and package cost is very high during the season and package cost is low during the off season. So you can compare from these images what kind of the crowd will be there during the season and off season, and that will be effect on the package cost. So that is the reason behind that we require this information, the month or day or date of the travel of the tourist. Next information which is required, total number of tourists traveling. It is also very important how many person will be going to travel, because according to we can book the vehicle, according to we can book the hotels for them, according we can book train tickets or flight tickets. So each and every vehicle has a carrying capacity. Even the hotel also has a number of rooms. Some hotels having 10 rooms, 15 rooms, or 20 rooms, 30 rooms, 100 rooms. So that is depend on the group size, how many hotels are required, how many rooms are required. So that is the reason behind that. And on the basis of the group size, there will be a group discount is there. So for the discount part also we can calculate in a tour cost. So everything will be, we need to check the availability according to number of persons. So that is the reason behind that we require total number of tourists are traveling. Next one is a mode of traveling along with the class. You know, the each and every vehicle has the class. In air travel, there is a economical class and business class. In a train, there are different types of trains are there and class of there, like a first class AC, 3-tier AC, 2-tier AC, general class, or sitting sleeper class, or chair car. But also types of trains are there like Rajdhani Express, Duranto Express, or Garib Rath Express, Shatabdi Express, or Janashatabdi Express, or some luxury trains like Deccan Odyssey in Maharashtra, Palace on Wheels in Rajasthan. So different trains have different kinds of fare. So according to we can plan as per the budget of the client. So that's why this information is required. Even the cruise, when we travel by the cruise or ships, there will be a classes of decks are there, different kinds of deck are there, and that each and every rooms has different cost. So vehicle also, some want to travel by minibus, mini car, or Mercedes car. So that is depend on the car also. So this information is very important for the planning of tour. It will help. We can identify, we can collect from the client, and we can plan our tour. Next one is the budget. Budget is also very important. Without budget we cannot plan a tour, we cannot plan a luxurious tour. There will be, we can plan deluxe tour, economical tour, or luxurious tour as per the budget of the client, because everything is depend on the budget, and we can book the hotel, car, everything. Some tourists require extra services. These are the extra services. Some are traveling for the adventure tour, some are interested for the visit to national park or wildlife sanctuary. Some are traveling for the meditation, yoga, for the health purpose. We call that wellness tourism. Then during the tour, some tourists want to celebrate their engagement, anniversary, or birthday celebration. So they require cake. Honeymoon couples require candlelight dinner, or they require room decoration. So we have to plan according to in our tour. So we can add these small services to help tourists, and we can prepare fantastic tour for the customer satisfaction. And in a travel and tourism industry, customer satisfaction is very important. Summary of this video is, you know, approximately what kind of information is required, approximately date, total number of people are traveling, mode of journey or class of hotel, local transportation, budget of the client, and additional services. This is very important. I would like to give one assignment. Collect basic information from at least 5%, your relative, friends, or any departmental lecturers. You can collect information throughout the email, mobile, or messaging, any mode you can use. And I have shared one PDF file on your WhatsApp group. You can print out, you can submit me hard copy also, so you can understand, or you can collect, you will be able to collect basic information. So that is the reason behind that I have assigned this assignment. So please do on time. This is the format which is available on your WhatsApp group. So please do that. In the next session we will be going to learn regarding the planning of tour itinerary. In planning of tour itinerary, there are different kinds of routing, pacing, interest of the tourist, detail to be considered, shopping, which and climate. It is very important. We will be going to learn in a next session. So we will learn everything in a next session. Then, is there any question in your mind? You can call me, you can WhatsApp me, you can email me, so I can clear your doubts. So right now I would like to thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much. If you have query, once again I would like to request